Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video here on tech traffic control. It's actually been a long while since I uploaded a video, so today I just thought I would actually want to start a series of videos covering different AI tools that are beneficial in modern day browsing for the average computer user. So today I'm talking about a browser extension called HARPA AI. And so this HARPA AI is an incredible browser extension that's changing the game for web browsing. If you've ever wished for a smarter, more efficient way to navigate the internet, you are in for a treat. So stick around and let's jump into it. Okay, so here I'm on the website for, HARPA AI, which is just harpa.ai. Very intuitive, you see. So, a well-designed website that describes what this tool is all about. It says the number one automation agent for Chrome, and so it goes on to show you different things you could use, such as Gmail Assistant, YouTube summarizer, writing in different styles for different platforms, and a whole lot more. So, feel free to browse through if you want, and then we can come to use cases as well, like I mentioned. So, copywriting, definitely, ChatGPT and Co. They can do that work for you, but this one too has some unique features you can try. All right, when we come to the guide, well, we'll come back to this in a moment. I think I wanted to look at for some reason my scroll wheel has stopped working. I don't know why. So I have to be dragging this up and down. So let's come to the blog. Here you see different things that you could do with this tool, right? So if I just click on, say, copyright assistant, it goes into the process of showing you how you can use this tool for as a copywriter, basically. All right, so I don't want this video to be long, so I'll just run you through some of the ways I use this tool personally. I'll run you through those quickly. And so to add this to your browser, your Chrome browser, after you have installed it, you find it as an extension like all other extensions here, like that. So let me click out of this. So you just click on this and it brings you to the Chrome Web Store, and just like you install any other extension, this, in your case, if you haven't added it already, this would have been enabled for you to add to Chrome, not remove. And so you just click on it, and it takes just a few seconds, a minute or so at worst, depending on your internet connection. Then it gets installed on your browser. And so once it's installed, you can always bring up the pop-up for HARPA AI by just holding Alt A. I'm using a Windows computer, so let me just click out of this. Alt A, and it brings it up this way. You can toggle the view if you want, just showing at the right side like that. You can drag it around if you want, this way. Right? Yeah, but let's just keep it on the right side. I like it that way. Okay, so I'll go into the process of showing you how we can use this for different tasks. But mind you, just like many other AI tools, you can decide to log in, and I'll just say this at this point, that the free version, which I'm coming to run you through, there are some limitations in the sense that you only have a certain number of tokens available for you to use. So if you max that out after 1 day, I think you just have to wait and you try again the following day. But I mean, you can use it multiple times in a day. And then you can also go ahead and create an account just using your Gmail or any other account you have, so that you just have records of various tasks that you have used this for. Anyway, so enough said already. Let's go into the first use case. We could start with YouTube. This for YouTube, we can use it to summarize a video. So say let's see, let's click on this video. Any of this would do. Actually, this is probably a lengthy one. It's a video I'll definitely watch myself at a later time. But yeah, the first use case, like I said, summarizing a YouTube video. So let's wait for this to load.
You want to grow on social media? When you post, why don't you think what's in it for the other person instead of what's in it for you? Gary Vaynerchuk. We have the inspiring Gary Vaynerchuk in the house. Gary Vaynerchuk. I believe that most people suck at social media.
Our goal is not to watch this, right? So imagine this is a 1 hour long video. You probably don't have time to watch all of this. So what you can do is with HARPA AI, you can just summarize this. You can just decide to summarize this video. So I'll click on summarize with HARPA AI, and it'll ask you in what form you want your summary. So either as key takeaways or as captions or as the main ideas. So let's try this out. It should summarize the main ideas of this video, and to take a few seconds to just pause the video and give us an output. So let's just wait for that. It will take some time, definitely. Okay, I'm getting a prompt to log in. So let me log in here. As you can see here, I'm out of tokens, so I'll just have to wait and try again. Switch connection. So just forget about what this is all about. See, something a bit more complex. Azure World Architected Framework. Let's say I have no idea about what this is. I can just click on Alt A, press Alt A to bring up HARPA AI and ask it to explain what I've selected to me. And in a couple of seconds, I should have enough information without copying and opening a new tab to ChatGPT or any other AI tool to have that information. So all in the same place. It uses the various AI models like that of GPT, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. There are different models you can switch from. But yeah, so you have it, and follow-up queries you can, to even delve deeper into this, you can do that. So this is for, quick searches on web pages, explaining stuff, and there are far more intricate things you can do with this too. And the last I would show you now is that of I'm writing an email. So let me bring. So let's say I have a mail like this. Let's say I have a mail like this. I just want to reply to this, right? This is a rather simple case, but depending on what mail you have, you want to respond, you can just press Alt A to bring up HARPA AI and tell it to reply to mail, and so it will pass. It will read and understand the mail you have, and then you can choose from one of these options, or you can write how you want it to respond. So how to reply, type instructions. So this will rather be a simple one. I'll just say, let me just agree, and it will compose a response that you can just copy. So if I say paste to page, usually you should bring up the reply, and I'll still have the response here, paste to page, and a paste there, and you can proofread if you want. And yeah, if it's good enough, you just send it. And so the last case is that of LinkedIn. I found this to be a very good tool. So as well, HARPA AI helps you save some time when you are trying to connect with different individuals on LinkedIn. One of the good tips people say is that when you are, let me minimize this a bit, when you're connecting with someone, you can try and make it personal. So I'm going to search out some random person. Say, imagine I want to connect with Gary, right? I want to send a personal note to him, and so you probably know how to use LinkedIn already. So I just want to connect, right? And I would want to add a note, but I don't know what to write yet. So I want to have HARPA AI just help me draft a message. So this would be a connect note. I select a connect note. Just provide information about the person you like, or enter to pass it from the page. So this would learn about the person's profile on the page and help you with a connection note. Now, any specific reason you want to connect with this person, I am inspired. We just have to type in something, you see. So give it time to compose a response, and then so we have this, right? 3 different notes we could use. So I can just copy this, add note, and I can paste it there, right? This is pretty good. You know what? Let's just send it. It's not that bad. So there you have it. There are a couple of more things you can do with this tool, right? So feel free to look into their use cases and guide to learn more about this tool, and you can also look out for their YouTube channel. So there you go. For understanding more about what you see on web pages, you can ask it to explain. For LinkedIn, you can have it write a connect note for you, or even when you are DMing a recruiter, I can help you with all those stuff. And for your emails, it can help you compose responses to them. And so this is just a quick overview of a very good AI extension that can help you save some time on the web. And so if you like this video, I encourage you to just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.